In order to solve this word problem, we're going to be creating a system of equations, two equations, based on the information that's given to us. Good first step though would be to write out what our two variables would represent. So I'm letting A represent the number of adult tickets sold, and K is the number of kids tickets sold for this movie theater. Okay, now to create our first equation, let's take a look at what we have here. So it says that the adult tickets are $15 each, and the kid tickets are $9 each. And the movie theater made $6,282 on opening day. To write that as an equation, I'm going to write it out as 15 multiplied by A plus 9 times K equals 6,282. Now the reasoning behind that is that 15A represents the amount of money they're making on the adult movie tickets, and then 9K is the amount of money they're making by selling the kids tickets because they cost $9 each. But if we add those together, we get their total amount of profit of $6,282. The second equation we're going to create is just based on the fact that they've sold a total of 480 tickets. To write that out as an equation, it would simply be A plus K equals 480. Now, at this point, there are a couple different strategies we could utilize to solve this system of equations. One is the substitution method, where we could take this equation here, we could isolate the variable K. K would be equal to 480 minus A, and then we would replace K with that up in here into this yellow equation, and then solve for A. I'm actually going to do it a different way though. Let's go ahead and use the elimination method. In order to do that, first we need both of these k's to have the same coefficient. So we can do that by multiplying this entire equation by 9. And then it would become 9a plus 9k equals 4,320. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to take this first yellow equation and subtract this equation from it. So you can kind of ignore that one there. So 15a take away 9a would be 6a. And the 9k's would cancel out. That's the whole point of using this method, is using the elimination method. We eliminate one of the variables. And then 6,282 take away 4,320 is 1,962. So then our last step to solve for A would be to divide by 6, which gets us an A value of 327. Now, that's not our answer though. That's the number of adult tickets sold. We wanted to know how many kids tickets were sold. So to figure that out, we would go back to our original blue equation here, which was A plus K equals 480. Remember, we know that the total number of tickets has to equal 480. So if there were 327 adult tickets sold, then we can simply find out how many kids tickets were sold by subtracting that 327 off of 480. And that would give us our answer of 153 tickets. So there were a total of 153 kids tickets sold. All right, that's all, and thanks for choosing JD's Prep.